everyone, my name is Jerica and I'll be taking up account management at Sheridan College. They were really helpful along the way when I was just looking for which program to choose. They look into my own resume and my experiences, and then they provided the recommendations also. And not just with me looking for which program to take, even along the way during the application process, they were really helpful. That's why I feel that my experience with IDK is really seamless and very fast. I also really like how responsive the counselors here were. So it was a great experience. When I was also browsing the different options for colleges, I found that Sheridan was one of the best colleges in Canada in terms of the industry that I'm in, which is in the creative industry. So I think that was what really encouraged me to apply in Sheridan. And I really like the location also, which is in Toronto.